The Deutsche Bundesbank Center for Technical Central Bank Cooperation supports central banks around the world in their efforts to set up and expand market-oriented central bank systems. For the Deutsche Bundesbank, international cooperation is an essential instrument for stability and growth worldwide. We therefore focus primarily on exchanging applied and user-oriented knowledge and expert experience. Our dedicated team plans, prepares and hosts the courses and provides advice and support for our foreign guests during their visit in Frankfurt.
We provide a large range of flexible services. Every year we offer about 35 international central banking courses on core central bank topics and related subjects. Banking supervision, financial stability and payment systems are frequent topics for our seminars. Each course is attended by up to 25 participants from a wide range of countries, which means that about 900 international colleagues visit the Bundesbank and take part in our seminars in and around Frankfurt every year.
Ever since I've been working for the Center for Technical Central Bank Cooperation, the world has become a lot smaller for me. By now, I connect many countries with a familiar face. I really enjoy working in that multicultural environment and answering the guests' questions on the Deutsche Bundesbank and Germany.
As a market expert, I look forward to an exciting week every time I'm asked by the Technical Central Bank Corporation to act as an expert and share my point of view on pricing methodology with colleagues from all over the world. In the seminars, workshops and group activities, we can exchange views. Professionally, this is very enriching, and for me personally too, it is always very exciting and nice to meet international colleagues.
In our events here in Frankfurt, frequently the question arises whether a similar program could also be organized in the home country of a participant. The bilateral cooperation of Deutsche Bundesbank started in the mid-90s, and since then we conducted projects with more than 50 countries. And these projects, they cover a wide variety of different topics, all related, of course, to the work and the tasks of Deutsche Bundesbank. Bilateral activities provide a great opportunity to discuss in greater depth specific topics, and what is more, it also allows a greater circle of central bank staff to benefit from the exchange with Bundesbank experts.
Our aim in central bank cooperation is to promote central banking structures that foster stable prices and enhance economic and financial stability in a market environment. The Center for Technical Central Bank Cooperation provides a dedicated platform for exchanging knowledge and experience. This kind of networking among central banks in the spirit of openness and mutual respect is key to the Bundesbank's international engagement.
I really loved it. I will recommend it because it's not only an opportunity to exchange about professional field, but then it's a human adventure, if I can say that.
You take a real good time to discuss really relevant topics with some other colleagues that if institutions like the Bundesbanks are not there, probably will never take place.
I will take a lot of knowledge and practice from this seminar to my country, and also friendship and cooperation from Germany.
Central bank cooperation has many faces. If we have aroused your interest, we would be delighted to welcome you to one of our events as a participant, or if you could support us as a lecturer in our work.